Have you ever heard of the compound effect? It's the principle that small, consistent actions can lead to massive results over time. And when it comes to money and finance, this principle can make all the difference. This is episode 4 of Prosperity Paradox, exploring the intersection between money and mindset. Think about it this way. If you invested just $50 a month at a 7% annual interest rate, after 30 years you'd have over $50,000. That's the power of the compound effect. The compound effect is essentially the idea that small actions, when done consistently over time, can produce significant results. When it comes to money and finance, this means that the little choices you make every day can add up to big financial gains. For example, let's say you skip your daily $5 latte, and instead put that money into a savings account that earns 1% interest. After a year, you'd have an extra $1,825 in your account. Over 10 years, that small sacrifice could turn into over $18,000. Now, let's take that same principle and apply it to your debt. If you have a $10,000 credit card balance with a 20% interest rate, and you only make the minimum payment each month, it'll take you over 30 years to pay off that debt and cost you over $26,000 in interest. But if you add just $50 to your monthly payment, you'll pay off that debt in less than 4 years and save over $22,000 in interest. The compound effect is a powerful tool when it comes to money and finance. Small actions, done consistently over time, can lead to significant financial gains. By saving a little bit each month, paying off debt a little bit faster, or making other small changes to your financial habits, you can set yourself up for long-term financial success. So start taking small steps today and watch your wealth grow over time. Thanks for watching. Follow Finance Fusion for more. Master your money, not financial advice.